Scientists discover carbon cleaning technology that cleans filthy lenses like magic. Are you tired of viewing the world through smudge and streaked lenses? Not only do dirty lenses make seeing the world incredibly difficult, but they can cause eyes to quickly tire and ache, eventually leading to severe headaches. Unfortunately, traditional cleaners such as t-shirts and old rags leave behind nasty residue that's next to impossible to remove. Worse yet, these kinds of abrasive cleaners can also leave your glasses scratched and permanently ruined.
Peeps by Carbon Clean. Peeps is the only product of its kind using revolutionary carbon molecular technology. Built into the advanced carbon microfiber pads, the molecular technology thoroughly cleans the entire surface of your lenses. This remarkable cleaner softly removes nasty dirt and dust at a microscopic level, leaving your lenses stunningly clear. The invisible carbon technology actually repels dirt and oil, protecting your glasses in the future. According to Dr. Hunt, "OD, my patients love them, my staff love them, and I love them. It's a complete win-win for everyone. I've had them for over a year in my office and use mine daily." Don't be a skeptic. It's simply amazing. But how does it work? Peeps features a simple two-step cleaning system. Step 1. Brush off all dust, dirt, and abrasive particles with the scratch-resistant retractable brush. Step 2. Use the carbon microfiber pads to sandwich the lens and clean it on both sides. These special angled carbon microfiber pads are designed to clean all nooks and crannies. Once you're done cleaning, simply put it back in the case and the friction on the pads recharges the carbon molecules, giving you up to 500 cleans. But is it safe and effective? With the powerful cleaning power of Peeps, everyday activities such as walking, biking, and driving will become less dangerous and more enjoyable. Also, with crystal clear vision, you won't have to compromise your quality of life by missing out on its most important moments. Lasts forever, get 500 cleanings. Works anywhere not affected by heat, humidity, or cold. Eco-friendly all-natural carbon pads and nothing to dispose of. Travel-sized, small and compact. Safe for all lenses, eyeglasses, sunglasses, reading glasses, even lenses with a or R coating. Optometrists preferred, trusted by over 100,000 doctors. Internationally acclaimed, over 7 million and counting, sold in 28 countries. With the holidays right around the corner, Peeps makes a perfect gift for parents, grandparents, co-workers, and anyone who's ready to experience life through remarkably clear lenses. Thanks to its ultra-slim design, Peeps can be kept in your purse, golf bag, backpack, home or office to use at a moment's notice. It's the ultimate go-anywhere lens cleaner.